Hey, welcome back to DIY RV and Home. Guess what? We made it out. First time camping this year. And what a trip that was. We started out, we went to a place called Mans Creek, Washington County in Idaho. Rained a little bit today, and we got up there and it was snot on the ground. I mean, it was nasty. It was so slick it wasn't even funny. Four-wheel drive, I was sliding sideways. We dug holes deeper than the Grand Canyon, and we weren't trying. So then we went to another spot. Ooh, that was even worse. So we done turned around. We headed towards the Snake River, a place called Steck Park. Torrential rains, thunder, lightning. I might have a couple shots from my dash cam popping around. Anyways, the road's pretty washboardy, about 10 miles worth. We got up here, and lo and behold, the stove rattled apart damn near. Excuse me, darn near. No swearing on the channel. Anyways, my wife's over here. She's getting broccoli cut up. We're going to have some steak broccoli tonight. I got the Barbie outside warming up, but I got to get this stove fixed. So, guess what? We're going to do it real quick. Show you what we got going. So, number one, this bounced off. Popped that little dinghy out, and I found that little thing, and it's around here somewhere. So, we'll put that back. Where'd it go? There it is, right there. Then, also, this tube came off. And I was able to track down this screw that holds it on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this mounting bracket off, flip it upside down so we can screw it back on, put it back down so we can have a stove. Let me swing the camera around a little bit, get you all positioned so you can see what I'm doing. Or you can just laugh at all the stuff that's going on. Actually, no. This is all part of camping. This is all part of the RV life. And always bring tools.
Yes. Absolutely.
So, now, I don't know if you could see that too well, but that is a small screw. Looks like a number 1, which I got there. Go ahead and put that screw back down. There we go. Try not to get too crazy with too over torquing it, but boom, there it is. Don't want to move you around, bunch you around too much, but so when you do put this back on, you want to make sure that it goes. The tube goes over where the gas comes out. That's not too good if you don't put that back in place. So let me put that. There it is, and I'll swap out bits again. You know what? I haven't even started drinking yet.
I knew there was something we were doing
Screw!
wrong.
You gotta use a screw. You know? It works easier when you put the screw in the hole, not just the bit of the screwdriver. Oh, my wife's over here laughing at me! There we go.
I'm gonna go get some liquid refreshment.
Okay. Good. We won't tell her that I'm gonna stick the part of the tripod in the sink. Alright, so now, putting this thing back on. This thing was a bear to get off. Probably gonna be a bear to put back on. So,
No, I think it pops right back on. Pretty
down,
easy.
boom. There we go. Just kind of set it down. Oh, wait a second. That's right. See? I done forgot already how to do it. So now, what it does, right on the back of your top, there are some little slots, at least on this model. And if you can see, there's some springies. Turn you around a little bit. Right here. Now those holes got to go into those. That helps keep the backside down. So, there's one, there's two, and then just kind of wiggle it back and forth on the front. And pretty much just like that, that's how it sits. That's it, boys. Okay, that little piece that came off, Right there. Oh, look at that. Another one come off. Get that one in the hole. Get this sucker back on. Now, before you say you're done and all that stuff, you always want to test. Make sure. Test. Make sure. Don't put your finger in the flame. Test. Make sure. There we go.
Good job, honey.
Thank you. So, just to give you a quick recap, we had the burner come off, screw came loose, vibrated all over the place. Anyways, carry tools with you. Real simple to take care of. Get it back on the, get your weekend back on track. If you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.